Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise like on whiteboard. So equation 8 power 8 power 3 equal 256. And this is exponential equation. How to solve this? If you know how to solve this, please pause my videos and do it. If you don't know, please keep watch my video from begin to the end. And now, I show you how to solve this. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget like and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. And now, we spend my time. We go to the solution together. Okay, let me see this. We have 8 power 3 is equal to 256. And now this, I write both sides of this equation with 3. So this, we get 8 power 8 and power 3 all power 3 equal to 256 all power 3. Okay, now this, we just do, they will have a power m all power n equal 8 power m multiply n. And so this 8 power 3 is all power 3 is equal 8 power 3 and multiply 3 and equal this 256. We can divide it in the primary numbers of vectors. So we get 25 and 6 and divide it with 2, we get 1 and 2 and 8 and divide by 2 we get 6 and 4, divide by 2 we get 3 and 2, divide by 2 we get 16, divide by 2 we get 8, divide by 2 we get 4, divide by 2 we get 2 and divide by 2 we get 1. So it's equal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it 2 power 8. And this equal to power 8 all power 3. And so this, you can write it 8 power 3 and all power 8 power 3. And this is equal, this we get 2 power 8 and multiply 3. And now this, we also use this rule. So we get in this we get 8 power 3 all power 8 power 3 equal 2 power 3 all power 8. And this we multiply, we get 8 multiply 3. Okay, now this 2 power 3 we get 8. So 8 power 3 all power 8 power 3 equal 8 power 8. You see this 8 power 3 and this 8 power 3 and this 8 and this 8. So we get 8 power 3 is equal 8. Okay, now this. So we get 8 power 3 is equal 8. And now this, I raise both sides of this equation to power 1 over 3. So we get 8 power 3 and all power 1 over 3 is equal 8 is power 1 over 3. So this we simplify it, so we get 8 is equal, this equal to power 3 and multiply 3, we get simplify it, we get 8 is equal 2. So we use the values of h equal to replace in this equation. So we get 2 and power 2 and power 3 is equal 256, and this equal to power 8 is equal to 256, and now we get 256 is equal to 250 is our truth. So thus 8 is equal to is our solution. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.